Hi guys, Sam here. Welcome to my channel. As an autistic adult, my channel is about DIYs, showcase my artwork, and much more. Follow me on my social media platforms at Instagram, Hello DIY Sam, TikTok, Samantha Collado 0, and Twitter, SamHello19. If you enjoy my channel, don't forget to do all beautiful things on your keyboard, and peace. Hi y'all, Sam here, back with a cool video. So y'all, for today's video, I'm going to create a vintage picture frame jewelry holder / something. So the materials that you're going to need is a vintage picture frame from Marshalls or any picture frame towards your liking, command hooks from Family Dollar, and then your own jewelry from home. So I'll be back with part 2. Alright then guys, I am back, and check out my Mimi's cowgirl hat. Before I recorded, because I was using rubbing alcohol on the glass of the picture frame to dust out any residue, and then I was testing out the command hooks on the picture frame. So guys, you're gonna take the already made plastic paper thing that is inside the picture frame just to turn it around. And then once you are done, you're going to take your jewelry from your jewelry box just to attach it to the hook. So this is the final product.